Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Today I will teach you subject maths, class senior KG, topic big and small. Okay, students. Now look at the blackboard. Big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay, children. Big and small means big यानी कि बड़ा और small यानी कि छोटा. Repeat again. Big यानी बड़ा और small यानी छोटा. Okay, now look at here. Which picture is this, children? Apple. Yes, A for apple. Okay, students. Now which picture is this? Repeat again. Apple. Yes, look at here, students. Here is two apple. Okay, one and two. Two apple. Okay, but students, which one is big and which one is small apple? Look at here. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, this one is big apple and this one is small apple. Okay, big यानी बड़ा and small यानी कि छोटा. Okay, so now here write big apple and this one is small apple. Okay, big and small, big and small. This apple is big and this apple is small. Okay, clear? Now look at here, children. Which picture is this? Yes, tree. Which picture is this? Tree. Here is two trees. Okay, one and two. Two trees. Okay, so now please compare which tree is big and which tree is small. Give me a children. These are two trees, one and two. But compare which tree is small and which tree is big. Give me answer, children. Yes, first one is small. This tree is small and this tree is big. Okay, so right here small tree and big tree. Okay, this tree is small and this tree is big. Okay, clear, children? Understand? Big and small. Students, big यानी बड़ा and small यानी छोटा. Okay, understand? Big and small वो size compare करने के लिए used to होता है. Okay, clear? Now next, which picture is this, students? Balls. Yes, these are two balls. One balls and two. One, two. Two balls are here. But which ball is big and which ball is small, children? Tell me which ball is big and which ball is small? Tell me, children. Yes, first one is big ball and second one is small ball. Clear? This ball is big and this ball is small. So now, children, you write ball is small. Understand, students? Clear? Okay, now next one. Which picture is this, children? Cups. Yes. Here, two cups. These are two cups. One and two. Two cups. Okay. Now, children, give me answer. Which cup is small and which cup is big? Which cup is small and which cup is big? Okay. Tell me. Yes. First cup is big and second cup is small. Okay. This cup is big and this cup is small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. This cup is big and this cup is small. Clear, children? Understand? ये हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? यस, प्री मैथ्स कॉन्सेप्ट सीख रहे हैं. उसमें फर्स्ट वन है बिग एंड स्मॉल. बिग यानी बड़ा एंड स्मॉल यानी छोटा. ओके, सो नाउ रिपीट वन मोर टाइम. यू स्पीक विथ मी. This is an big apple and this is an small apple. Big apple, small apple. Big apple, small apple. Okay. These are two trees, but first one is small tree and second one is big tree. Big tree, small tree. Small tree, big tree. Okay. Next, these are two balls. This one is big ball and this one is small ball. Big, small, big, small. Big ball and small ball. Okay. Next, these are two cups. This one is big cup and this one is small cup. Okay. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Now, children, I give one more example. You look at here. Look at here. This is a. Wait a minute. Look at here, two triangles. Okay. So now, which one is big and which one is small? Tell me. Now, first, which color is this? Black. Yes, black triangle. And this one is orange triangle. Okay. Now, which triangle is big and which triangle is small? Yes, very good answer. Black triangle is small triangle and orange triangle is big triangle. Okay, this is a big triangle and this one is small triangle. Okay, clear? So now this triangle is small and this triangle is big. Clear? Now give more example. Look at here, children. Which shape is this? Square. Yes, very good. Square. This color is? Which color is this square? White. Yes. This square is white color. And this square is orange color. Yes, very good. So now, children, which square is big and which square is small? Tell me. Give me answer. Which square is big and which square is small? Yes, orange square is big square and white square is small. Clear? White square is small square and orange square is big square. Understand? Understand, children? Clear? Big and small concept. Now, next, children. Look at here, I given more example for big and small. Look at here. Which shape is this, children? Yeah, circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Okay. Now which color is this? Which color this circle, children? Green circle. Yes. This circle is green color. Okay. And this circle is, which color is this circle, children? Red. Yes, very good. Red circle and green circle. Red circle and green circle. Okay, clear? Okay, so now students, give me answer. Which circle is small and which circle is big? Give me answer. Give me. Yes, green circle is small circle and red circle is big circle. Okay, repeat. Green circle is small circle and red circle is big circle. Clear? Okay, now I given more example, children. Look at here. Which animal is this, student? You know which animal? Yes, elephant. Very good. This animal is elephant. Yes. So now tell me, children, which elephant is small and which animal is big? Give me answer. Yes, this elephant is small elephant and this animal is big elephant. Okay, big elephant, small elephant, big elephant, small elephant. Okay, clear, children? Understand? Big and small. Look at here. Big यानी बड़ा और small यानी छोटा. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay, clear? चिल्ड्रन, आप भी आपके घर पे बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि क्या बिग है और क्या स्मॉल है. ऐसे आप आपके घर पे भी टॉयज़ है या घर में कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप देख के कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि क्या बिग है क्या स्मॉल है. लुक एट हियर, जैसे कि पेंसिल है, यूज़ की हुई पेंसिल होती है जो स्मॉल होती है और जो नहीं यूज़ की होती है, पैक होती है, वो बिग होती है। ऐसे भी आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। किचन में भी कुछ स्पून होती है, ग्लास होते हैं, यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं जो बिग और स्मॉल होते हैं, वो आप ऐसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ लुक एट द, ये जो है वो चिल्ड्रन प्रैक्टिस बुक है, टीचर्स के लिए प्रैक्टिस बुक है जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ। उसमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं वो हम देखेंगे, ठीक है। आपको अगर ये बुक की कुछ कॉपी चाहिए या ज़ेरॉक्स चाहिए तो आप स्कूल में आके ले जा सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो नाउ लुक एट हियर, बिग एंड स्मॉल। Look, this and which animal is this, children? Elephant. Yes. So it's big, and this is the, which animal is this? Rabbit. Yes. So it's small. So elephant says, I am big. Animals, elephant says, elephant क्या बोल रहा है? I am big. Okay. Elephant says, I am big. And rabbit says, I am small. Rabbit says, I am small. Okay. Next, take the bigger and cross the smaller animal. Okay. So now, children, tell me which animal is this? Lion. Yes. And this one is mouse. Okay. So lion is big. Yes. And mouse is small. Yes. So bigger animal is lion. So you here write tick. Okay. And mouse is small. So smaller animals के आगे क्या करना है? Cross. So you do cross. Okay. Again children, this book is practice book. Okay. So now एग्जाम्पल के लिए, आपको समझाने के लिए हमने ये यूज़ की है. सो यू लुक एट हियर. ओके. अगर आपको ये कॉपी चाहिए, ज़ेरॉक्स चाहिए, तो आप स्कूल में आके ले जा सकते हैं. ओके. सो लायन इज बिग, सो वी डू राइट हियर. एंड रैट इज, माउस इज स्मॉल, सो यू क्रॉस हियर. ओके. नेक्स्ट, which picture is this, children? Birds. Yes, very good. Birds. So which bird is this? Parrot and peacock. Yes. Its color is green. Its beak is red. Okay. And peacock is very beautiful bird. Its feather are very nice. Okay. And peacock is our national bird. Okay. So look at here, children. Which bird is big and which bird is small? Tell me, tell me. Yes, parrot is small bird and peacock is big bird. Okay. So now write where you write right. Okay. Yes, big bird is parrot, so you write here. And parrot is small, so you cross here. Okay. Clear, students? Do you understand? Big bird is peacock, so you write here. And parrot is small, so you cross here. Okay. Understand? Now next, trace the figures with the help of pencil and color the bigger one with red color. Okay, now जो बिग बलून है उसको ये दोनों ट्रेसिंग करने हैं और जो बिग है उसमें हमें रेड कलर करना है. ओके, look at here, trace the figures with the help of pencil and color the bigger one with red color. हमें ये ट्रेसिंग करना है और जो बिग बलून है उसमें रेड कलर करना है. ओके, सो नाउ ये प्रैक्टिस बुक है चिल्ड्रन, जो आपके पास नहीं है, ये सब टीचर्स को एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं, वो है. ठीक है, ये डॉट हमें जॉइंट टू जॉइंट करके जाना है. ओके, ओके, आप बलून से खेलते हो बच्चों? बलून से खेलना अच्छा लगता है आपको? लुक एट हियर, ये हमने डॉट टू डॉट जॉइंट करके बलून रेडी किया. नाउ अगेन सेकंड बलून. Clear children, look at here. Which picture is this children? Balloon. Yes. Here is two balloons. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay children. So which one is big and which one is small children? Yes. First one is big balloon and second is small balloon. Okay. So now ये जो बिग बलून है उसमें रेड क्रेयॉन करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए घर पे ड्रॉ करके कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं इधर कलर फिल नहीं कर रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट लुक एट द मोर एग्जाम्पल. प्लीज वेट. लुक एट हियर चिल्ड्रन, बिग एंड स्मॉल. ओके, now look at here, big and small. Which picture is this children? Yes, an elephant, and this one is bird, is sparrow. Okay, now children, this is a animal and this one is bird. Okay, so now elephant is big and sparrow is small. Okay, so an elephant is big, a sparrow is small. Okay, again an elephant is big and a sparrow is small. Clear? Big यानी बड़ा and small यानी कि छोटा. Okay, next put a right on smaller object. जो small object है उसमें हमें right click करना है, right करना है. Okay, जो बिग है उसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना है। पुट अ राइट ऑन अ स्मॉलर ऑब्जेक्ट, यानी कि राइट हमें जो स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें राइट करना है। ठीक है, सो नाउ लुक एट हियर। फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज, which picture is this, children? Yes, frog and ant. Okay, so which one is big and which one is small? Yes, frog is big and ant is small. Clear? Frog is big and ant is small. So you write here. Okay? Clear, children? Now, next, which picture is this, children? Yes, tree and small plant. Okay? So now, children, which picture is big and which picture is small? Give me answer. Yes, tree is big and plant is small. Okay, tree is big and plant is small. So जो small है उस पे हमें क्या करना है? Right. Understand? Next, which picture is this? Balls. Yes, this one is football and this one is cricket ball. Okay, this one is football and this one is cricket ball. Okay, so now which ball is big and which ball is small? Give me answer. Yes, football is big and cricket ball is small. Okay, students, आप खेलते हो फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट? यस, वेरी गुड. ओके, सो हमें कहाँ पे राइट ड्रॉ कर लिखना है? यस, जो स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है वहाँ राइट करना है हमें. सो दिस cricket ball is small, so you do right here. Okay, clear? Next, which picture is this? Fruits. Yes, this fruit is watermelon and this one is banana. Okay, now watermelon and banana. Okay, so watermelon is big and banana is small. Clear? So watermelon is big and banana is small. So now children, watermelon आपको अच्छा लगता है? Which fruit do you like the most? वाटरमेलन है वो समर फ्रूट है ना. ओके, सो वाटरमेलन इज़ बिग एंड बनाना इज़ स्मॉल. सो हमें राइट कहाँ करना है? यस, जो स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है वहाँ राइट करना है. सो यू राइट हियर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Clear? Now next, look at here. Children, look at here. ये जो बुक है वो हमारे स्कूल की बुक है, सीनियर केजी की मैथ्स पार्ट 1. अगर आपने बाय नहीं की है तो आप स्कूल में आके बाय कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसमें चैप्टर नंबर 1 हाउ मच डू यू रिमेंबर, ओके। उसमें पेज नंबर 5 है, उसमें फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है बिग एंड स्मॉल, ओके। रिपीट अगेन, सीनियर KG एंजॉय एंड लर्न बुक ऑफ मैथ्स पार्ट 1, उसमें पेज नंबर 5 है, उस पे चैप्टर नंबर 1 हाउ मच डू यू रिमेंबर, वो हमें फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है बिग एंड स्मॉल, वो करना है हमें, ठीक है। सो नाउ टिक राइट द बिग एनिमल एंड क्रॉस द स्मॉल एनिमल, ओके। सो क्या करना है हमें, जो बिग एनिमल है वहाँ पे राइट करना है और जो स्मॉल है वहाँ पे क्रॉस करना है, ठीक है। अंडरस्टैंड, बिग में राइट और स्मॉल में क्रॉस करना है, ओके। लुक एट हियर चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट which one is big and which one is small, children? Yes, this picture is big and this picture is small, okay. So now where is you do right tick and where is you do cross tick? Yes, जो big है वहाँ राइट करेंगे एंड जहाँ स्मॉल है वहाँ क्रॉस करेंगे। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट, which animal is this? Which picture is this? Yes, animals. This is a horse and this is a rat, a mouse, okay. So now children, give me answer, which animal is big and which animal is small?